Music producers, if you've tried to record a song before, you understand when I say it could be a process. Creating tracks, naming tracks, routing tracks, a bunch of work, and the mic isn't even on yet. Don't forget about setting tempos and finding song keys. There's a lot of time-consuming prep that goes into recording. Thankfully, we can cut that time down with templates. When starting a template, I create audio and auxiliary tracks. 1 or 2 audio tracks can be used to place an instrumental or a reference song. 4 auxiliary tracks help us control volume and plugins. Control-N is the shortcut to create additional aux tracks. Naming things is a game changer, especially when there's a large number of tracks needed for the session. I'll even go as far as color coordinating channels. Vocals one color, instruments another color. Auxiliary tracks are used for the beat, vocals, and reverb. Any effect like delay gets its own aux too. Everything else becomes easier when the session is set up before recording. There's no such thing as too much detail, as long as it makes sense to you. We built our audio tracks. We can group them together using auxiliary tracks. Aux tracks help us with the recording levels. When it comes to mixing, auxes make things simpler because everything is routed based on its kind of audio. Reroute each aux input to its own bus. A bus is a separate output from the main stereo out. Think of a bus like a smaller boombox connected to a PA system. You're able to control the boombox levels as well as the PA. Make sure every vocal track goes through the vocal auxiliary bus output. Every instrument or musical track runs through the beat bus. This includes a 2-track MP3 like a song instrumental. The next part gets a little tricky. Send the reverb bus to the vocal auxiliary channel. This makes it so we can adjust our reverb using the fader on its own channel. Now, let's change the output for our delay channel to the vocal auxiliary bus. Recording dry audio is unwritten law among engineers. Adding plugins to aux channels allows us to keep the integrity of an unprocessed recording while taking advantage of a dynamic sound in the headphones. This is great for artists who want a certain feel while they're in the booth. A simple EQ and compressor on the vocal channel makes a huge difference. Try using a vocal chain out on the aux to really bring things together. Add your favorite plugins to the reverb and delay auxiliaries. When you're ready to hear the effects in your session, start bringing up the faders on each channel until you like what you hear. Now you got it, a template ready to go. Save it as a template to use next time you open up your DAW. Make it yours by adding tools and tracks that speed up your specific workflow. Thanks for rocking with me. I left a free template for you to download in the description. Let's keep the conversation going. What do you include in your project templates? If this video helped you, like and subscribe to the channel for more. Share this with your friends who you think might find it useful. Stay inspired. Peace.